சிறு விரைந்தரும் தரிசனரும் திலகமுமே அற்புதக வாசனை பூரணி குலங்கும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையில் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பேரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிதனை திறமையும் திறமையும் வாழ்த்துமே வாழ்த்துமே. Thank you. I requested to Dr. Shannon Peter, Associate Professor, Department of Functional Materials, please give the word for us.
கொஞ்சம் இந்த ஃபோனை மட்டும் பிடிச்சிக்கிறியா சைட் லைவ் போகுது.
Dr. Kutilibai ma'am from the Saivam Engineering College, and I welcome respected Chancellor sir, Vice Chancellor sir, and respected Director ma'am, and Principal sir, Vice Principal sir, Registrar sir, and the Dean of various disciplines, and my faculty members, and my dear students. It gives immense pleasure to welcome you all, those who are sitting here. So, I would like to thank, once we invited a man, immediately accepting to came over here to present and share the thoughts on entrepreneurship skill, how it makes you to a successful entrepreneur. So, it has been noted that our Savitra School of Engineering is organizing many seminars, workshops, and skill development programs to inculcate such an innovative skill among you people, young and energetic. So that is why we ask you people to come and see and share the knowledge from the people who are specialized in the entrepreneur skill. Okay. So I thank for accepting our invitation, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So here nowadays the getting job is not only the academic degree won't make you to get a high paying salary. Apart from that, other innovative skill, a creative skill to solve finding the solution to solve the social related issues. Nowadays we are facing a lot of issues. So in order to become a successful entrepreneur, that you should have certain quality regarding what are the skill particularly in the entrepreneurship. So along with you, me also eager to gain information from the man. So once again I welcome you all, and once again I welcome you and thank you.
We honor our chief guest. I requested to Dr. Rajesh, head of the Department of Material Chemistry, to honor the chief guest with a spot. To honor the chief guest with memento, I requested Dr. Saravanan sir, Associate Professor in our department.
Group.
Now this session, to give the chief guest address, I requested to Dr. K. Tirumurthy, Assistant Professor in the Department of Community.
I'm highly honored and privileged to address our chief guest, Dr. Putri Boy, on this special occasion. Ma'am has completed bachelor degree in chemistry at SBA College at Mumbai University with a distinction, and ma'am is a college topper. And Master Science and Master Philosophy
class wise, class wise,
University and Master Science
class wise,
ma'am is a university topper. And PhD in Bharat University, Chennai. And she has completed postdoctoral research at People's Friendship University, Moscow, Russia. Ma'am is specialized in various fields like inorganic chemistry, analysis of organic properties, etc. She has published more than 70 publications in Scopus and essay index journals, 31 patents and chapters. She has worked in various institutions like Himalayan College, Convert Engineering College, ST Pass Junior College, Bharat University, etc. She is a lifetime membership in various professional bodies and she was invited more than 60 times as a resource person and keynote speaker from various institutions. She is having a 27 year of academic excellency and teaching experience. And inspiringly, has received n number of awards, including World Record Achiever for successful participating as a keynote speaker and session chair in the World Record event of 150 hours continuous presentation. And Young Women Scientist Award, Indian Book of Record Achiever, Award of Excellence, Great Researcher, Innovator, IPR Patent Expert, and head of the IPR Cell, and MOD IAC, Innovation Ambassador, etc. And our chief guest is working towards connecting young minds to strive towards success and achievements. I thank our chief guest for accepting our invitation to deliver a wonderful talk on successful entrepreneurs and their entrepreneurship skills. Now I will hand over the session to our chief guest.
So most of the writings we can able to find only so related to this field. Basically for the intellectual property rights and patent filing. So one by one I'll explain. While explaining, you can understand that how this intellectual property rights is related to entrepreneurship. So if you want to become a successful entrepreneurship, first of all, we have to understand this 5 characteristics. So by this stage, at what extent it will be useful and you can able to understand. But I'm sure that it will be clicking your mind that especially the students, those who are interested to become an entrepreneur. And in future, so based on these inputs, so you can concentrate while developing your projects or the products. So when you do your mini projects and major projects. The first characteristic is take risk to pursue new opportunity. So that is the new way of developing the technology. So you are all aware that each and every year how many students are graduated from engineering colleges, how many students are coming up. So each and every student is competitive for you. So not only from the India. Sometimes the students from the abroad also will be the competitor. So with this situation, still if you shine and if you want to survive, you have to be distinguished. So for that always you have to keep explore what are the new opportunities. So always you have to keep open your mind towards the new opportunities. And hard work is always pays. So and it should be persistent. So you have to be clear in your objective and based on that you have to develop your skills. Suppose if you want to become an entrepreneur, so hereafter in this campus or outside the campus, so whatever may be the that is events which is related to entrepreneurship, you have to attend and based on the inputs you have to try to develop yourself. So definitely you will succeed. And know your target market and understand the market in which you will compete. So always, so if you become an entrepreneur, so you have to satisfy the society. So whatever may be the product you are concentrating, sometimes it may be a process you are concentrating. So you have to have a thorough survey. So survey from the general public or the society. So based on their feedback only you have to develop your product and you have to do the changes of your developed product. Then continue learning. So you are all aware that always there will be a changes. So based on the technology developments, there will be a changes in each and every field. So based on the present scenario and the latest technology, you have to develop yourself. So then only you will become a successful entrepreneur. Then consider failures as a new opportunities. And so this statement, so you might have come across in many places while that is listening some programs during your school days. So always you have to take the failures as the opportunities. So from the failures we can learn many things. So based on that, so we have to start where we got failed. So that always, that itself, sometimes we can take it as a motivation that we have to succeed. So by the time what you will do, what you will be thinking that you have to perform more. So you will be start exploring and automatically you will be motivated and you will be start hard working. So in that way you have to take it. So always the failures, so you have to think that it's an opportunity. So the bottom line of successful entrepreneurs is by giving the customer something better, faster, cheaper than their nearest competitors. Say for example, in a market, so there is a product. So somebody else says that product is selling in a huge number. So automatically, accordingly, you will be getting the benefit also. Monetary benefit also you will be getting. Okay, sometimes it may happen in the next day. Maybe for example, somebody else is developing the same kind of product with a much cheaper cost or most convenient, easy to use or operate. So definitely people will be shifting to that product. So by the time we have to be very alert that we have to we have to monitor the society and the society's expectation and whatever the other new products which is competing your product. So you have to be very alert. And the other side, you have to take the market survey always. So based on that only, you have to modify your product. So that modified product technically here we used to call as invention. So innovation and entrepreneurship. So if you want to become a successful entrepreneurship, so first of all you must understand innovation. To become a successful entrepreneurship, there are so many ways. So even laymen also can become a successful entrepreneur. As an academicians, as an educated student, so if you want to become an entrepreneur, it should be distinguished, it should be different from the other people. The laymen, they are becoming the entrepreneur. So based on your field and the product you have developed, if you concentrate, definitely you will be the sole owner and the sole person you will be selling and concentrating that particular product. So in that way, which is very much related to the innovation. So you must understand the word innovation. So one of the most common form of innovation is the creation of new product or process. So always you have to concentrate the creation of new process or the product. So if you concentrate the existing product, what will happen? So already it is there. So sometimes that is also possible by making some changes from the existing product, and again you can come up with a successful product. So that's what, based on the expectations and the survey only, you can come to the conclusion that whether this product is okay at this stage or you have to do some changes. The new product may exploit the established technology. The new product or the process you are going to concentrate, so always which will be developed by the technology you learned. So here I wanted to stress that you have to be very clear in your concepts and the technology what you are learning during these 4 years. And it may be outcome of a whole new or novel technology. So always the product when you develop new, so you have to ensure that whether it is novel or not. So what is novel? It should be new. The first time you have to introduce. The novel technology can be arrived through invention. So as I already told, if you do some changes in the existing innovation, then it becomes invention. Then the novel technology can be protected by patenting. As I already told, so once you develop a novel product, you have to protect your product by the way of filing and getting the grant of patent, and this is one of the component of intellectual property rights. So by the way of getting patents, one can own the invention. So if you want to own the invention, something you are inventing that, inventing and you are so by the way of publishing the journals or by writing some articles or by giving some presentations in the conferences, so then it is open to everyone and everybody can start use that novel product. The same technology or the product, if you want to protect, so you have to file a patent. By the way of filing the patent, finally you will be getting the grant based on the examinations. Once you receive the grant, you will be the sole owner of the product. No one can reproduce that product. So suppose if the product is that much valuable, if somebody they think that it is valuable, if they want to develop the product, so they have to get the permission, proper permission from the inventor to develop cleverly he protected his invention by the way of filing the patents and getting grants. So for this, the person is getting the royalty per day as any guesses? Can you guess how much the inventor will be getting as a royalty for the technology, especially for protecting the technology? Huh? More than a crore per day. So just think it. Okay. More than 1 crore he is getting as a royalty for protecting the invention, not for simply inventing and introducing to the public. So instead, since he protected, he is getting as a royalty. So that's why if you develop one successful product, you will become the entrepreneur. So you will become the successful entrepreneur. So that's why always while you are concentrating your minor and major projects, you have to concentrate. So this patenting. So you have to get a successful. Your project should end up with a successful product. So that we will discuss in following slides. So next is the innovation and invention. So you must be able to differentiate what is innovation and invention. So invention is, say for example, the first time the telephone is invented by Graham Bell. Whether he invented or innovated. Invention, innovated. But nowadays the same telephone is changed many times, okay, many generations. So finally now we are having as a mobile phone. So with the same technology only, after so many changes, now we are having as a mobile phone. So with the mobile phone we can do all our activities. So especially during the COVID period, I might have realized that how useful it was. Isn't it? So now we can say that so this mobile phone is invented or innovated? Innovated. So if we do some changes in the existing product, invented product, that is called innovation. Almost all the things are invented. So whatever you want to do, you can do only innovation. So we can give a definition as a formula for innovation as invention you can commercialize. Invention plus commercialization. Commercialization means the society's expectation you have to change your existing product. So if you do so, you can say that I have innovated. Always the innovative product will be the successful product. So if you want to become an entrepreneur, you have to have a survey always. So based on the survey only you can understand that whether the existing product is okay or enough or satisfied by the end user. So otherwise, if they are not satisfied based on their expectations and suggestions, you have to change, you have to derive or you have to develop. That is what the innovation. So from the innovation we can arrive entrepreneurship. So if you want to become an entrepreneurship as the academicians, you have to follow these steps. The innovation, from the innovation you can develop a successful product. Successful product, you can file a patent, you can get a patent. So by the way of getting the grant, you can protect your invention so that you will be the sole owner. And if you have one successful product, you can start a startup. So if you have a startup, automatically you will become an entrepreneur. So what is the difference between the startup and business? In general, we used to say that many places we come across and we used to heard that business. What is the difference between business and startup? So any product, if you can say that I am doing business. But if you sell or if you become an entrepreneur, so only by the use of the invented or the innovated product, so you can say that I am running or having a startup. So that's what the difference. So if you come up as an entrepreneur from the successful product, the innovative product, then you can say that it's a startup. So otherwise it will be a simple business. So business everybody can do, but startup only the learner people only can able to pursue. So next, so all the time I am stating that we have to protect your product. So till now we were discussing the various steps to become a successful entrepreneur. And we started with the innovation. So innovation is nothing but which includes your 4 years journey. So during your 4 years journey, so earlier when I started my career, students was so what they used to do is they will be doing projects only in the end of the degree. The last 2 months or the 3 months only they will be concentrating. But and it was extended. Then in the later stage, they were started doing their projects from the that is the first month of final year, and then from the third year, the second year. Nowadays, students have started doing their projects in first year itself. So there are so many initiatives. So okay, so each and every initiative you have to take it as an opportunity, and so you have to differentiate yourself. So among so this many engineers, they have graduated each and every year. So still, if you want to differentiate, you have to differentiate. Then only you will become a successful engineer. So to differentiate, so you have to explore the things. So each and every day, the government of India also they are thinking about, and they are sending new initiatives. So you have to be alert always. And based on that, you have to develop, and each and every opportunity you can take it as an opportunity to develop your innovation. In our college, what we are practicing is, so we have an innovation ecosystem. So during the first year, students will be doing the ideation process. So they will submit their ideas. The same ideas will be continued up to their final years. And during their second year journey, a solvathon. Solvathon means based on your ideas. The first year level you are fixing your ideas, and during the second year, by the way of practicing the live lab, they are solving their problems, what they have fixed as an objective during their ideation level during their first year, and they are solving in the second year, and the third year they are doing innovation. Trying to find out what way we can differentiate our product as a novel. And during their final year, completing their projects and the products, so that is called Inspire. For each and every stage, so they have to do the attempt by uploading their projects in some forums. So that's what the innovation ecosystem. So that's what, especially if you want to become an entrepreneur, always you have to keep it in the mind that how to develop the products. So you have to concentrate more on the innovation. So the intellectual property rights. So obviously we have to protect your intellectual proper size. So these are the various components or the types of intellectual property rights. Among the various components, is patents, industrial designs, and copyrights is more related to us. Still, among the three components, this patent is more related and it is highly valuable and it is very difficult to get out. So when you get a patent grant, actually, first time when I filed my patent, after 50 years only I was granted. So nowadays, the strength of the population in the patent office also they have increased. Nowadays, we can expect the process within 1 year or 2 years. So last month we have filed a patent. Within 1 month we have raised the FER, that is the first examination report. So that much this fastness we can expect from the patent office also. So that's what initially I informed that the government of India is taking so many initiatives to bring so many innovative products and the patents from the nation. Next is industrial designs. So this industrial design is more related to the design engineers. So any mechanical engineers here? Mechanical production, automobiles? No. And which is more related to, these fields are more related to designs. So these people will be learning some specialized software. So based on that, they can design their products. For the products, they can get the design patents. And the copyrights, so whatever the technologies of the products, you cannot able to file under patents. To file a patents, there are some criteria. If it satisfies only, you can file a patent. Otherwise, you cannot file a patent. So those inventions which is not falling under the patentability criteria, so those products you can file under copyrights to protect your invention. So among the various components of IPRs, as I told, this patent is most relevant to this and this is highly important. So if you have one successful patent on the product, you can become a successful entrepreneur. So that's what, to understand patents, you have to understand what is patentability. So any product can be patentable. Or to file a patent, what are all the things you have to concentrate? If you understand the validity criteria, so you will be concentrating with the product. So this patent is a statutory right to the inventor or the applicant by the government for his invention, which is either a new process or product. So for what we can file a patent? It should be a new process, novel process or product. So sometimes in a single invention you can claim both, okay, product and process. It is for the limited period of time. So once you get a patent grant, so even after so many procedures, after filing the patents, finally you will be getting a patent grant. Even if you are awarded a patent grant, it will be protected only for a limited period, that is 20 years. That too it starts from the date of filing and not from the date of grant. Suppose after filing the patent, your patent is granted after 5 years, so you can have it's my product. So there also there is a procedure by the way of filing the patents under PCT, Patent Cooperation Treaty, and which will be maintained by WIPO, World Intellectual Property Rights. So if you feel that your product will be valuable in some other foreign countries, so there also you can protect your invention. There is a procedure by filing the international patents. So suppose if you file international patents, you can file world, you can protect worldwide. So otherwise, if you feel that which will be valuable only in few countries, by choosing only those few countries, you can file a patents. So if you file a patents in those countries, your product will be protected safe. But instead of file a patent in India, while doing the examination, what they do is, they do the examination worldwide, whether this product or the technology is existing or not. So even if some other country the technology is existing, they may do give a patent grant, stating that status prior already it is existing somewhere. So that's what while before filing a patent, we have to search worldwide. So this is what the major are the three conditions of patentability. So the three conditions of patentability is novelty, inventiveness, is otherwise known as non-obviousness, and industrial application. So among the three criteria, satisfying the third criteria is very easy. Automatically it will be fulfilled. So whatever may be the product or the process if you develop, the technology you develop, automatically it will find some applications. So very easily you can satisfy the third condition. So then you have to concentrate the first two conditions.
பார்க்காத வேலைக்கே மனசு
So when
கஷ்டம்
you have to apply this the patentability criteria, when you finish your products or the project. So when you are when doing also you can concentrate. So whether it is satisfying these three conditions or not. If it is not so, you have to try yourself. Each and every based on that you will come to know that what is existing. If you know what is existing, definitely you can do some changes. If you do some changes, that is nothing but the innovation. While doing the changes, you have to concentrate these three conditions. What are they? Novelty, inventiveness, and utility. Utility will be there always, so you have to concentrate the first three conditions. The first one is what? Novelty. Novelty is what? It should be new. So, okay, it should be. That's what by doing the changes in the existing product, you can make it as a new. So, okay, and satisfying the second area is very, very difficult. What is second condition? Inventiveness is otherwise not obviousness. So always, that is most of the filed patents are getting abandoned only because of not satisfying the second criteria. And the remaining two criteria they can able to satisfy. And the second criteria they cannot able to satisfy. So because of that, most of the patents are getting abandoned. So you have to concentrate the second thing, that is inventiveness. So this slide explains what is inventiveness, inventive step. So if you understand what is inventiveness, you have to understand these two points. What is inventiveness? It should involve technical advancements as compared to the existing knowledge. Otherwise, it should have economic significance or both and makes the invention not obvious to a person still in the art. So if you can able to satisfy this condition, so you can able to say that I have fulfilled the inventiveness. So to understand the inventiveness, so okay, in short, how you can understand? So you have to find whether your project or the product is technically advanced. Technically advanced means from the existing technology. So okay, for the particular application, some product will be there in the market. Isn't it? So from the product, in what way your product is advantageous? That is technically advanced. So that is what the technical same product what which is existing in the market at present, but you are arriving in a different route with the less cost. So that is what the economic significance. So to satisfy the inventiveness or to understand the inventiveness, either you have to concentrate the technical advancements or economic significance. Sometimes in a particular product, there will be two options. So that's what the understanding of inventiveness. If you concentrate, if you can able to satisfy the second criteria, inventiveness, definitely your project will be a successful product or the process. And definitely you will be getting a patent grant. If you have one patent grant, you can start a startup. And automatically you will become an entrepreneur.
Then அப்படி புரியுது நம்மளுக்கு இன்னும் 5 minutes.
So in the bottom line, you can understand that what are all the things can be patented. So generally people will be thinking that it should have a very high-fi technology that will be patented. So from this simple examples, you can understand that how simple things also can be patented. Say for example, a bag with 20 pockets. If it is not existing in the market, in the society, nobody is using it. And if you are able to prove that it is not existing, can you prove from the various sources only? If you click no, it should not come as a findings, search results. If it is so, you can say that it's new. Okay? So if it is new, you can file a patent by the way of satisfying the three conditions. Similarly, there are so many examples. So people are thinking that to file a patent, we need to have a very complicated technology. So many engineering works has to be done. Even simple things also can be patented. We have to concentrate always the three conditions. So any product, if it satisfies the three conditions, then it is patentable. And at the same time, there is no age limit. Anybody can file a patent, and there is no minimum qualification. Actually, I am proud to say that my children are having 9 granted patents. Still, my son is in the school days. Since I am in the field, I can understand how to file a patent, what are the things I have to concentrate on. When I am doing, especially during the lockdown time, I will be giving so many talks through online from the house. They will be sitting here to me and they always will be concentrating, and based on that, and he is well versed in product development. That is especially the projects during their Atal Tinkering Lab, and by the way of using the opportunity, especially they have concentrated design pages. And based on their designs, we have filed and we received a grant also. So that's what there is no age limit. So actually, that is the youngest patent holder is Alkias in college. He is only a 9 years old boy when he received his patent. Actually, he is a wheelchair bound boy. Actually, he received his patent for the designing of surfaces. As we are having only limited period of time, I cannot extend more than that. If time permits in future, I will be giving one more session explaining all the aspects of intellectual property rights, patenting and other aspects. So he is the Arias was in Mardin. Actually, unluckily he is no more now. It was 1 year before he was born of Arias attack. So that's what there is no age limit, there is no educational qualifications. So always prove the patentability criteria. If it is so, you can file a patent. Actually, with this we can end up since we have only limited period of time. So at this stage, I can able to stress that when you come across doing developing your product or doing the projects, you have to concentrate the three conditions of patentability. So if you concentrate in that way, so after checking these patentability criteria only, you have to freeze your project. Until then, you have to do the changes. So, okay, until to satisfy these three criteria, so you have to keep searching, and based on that, you have to keep developing your product. So, definitely, you will end up with a successful product. So, based on that, you can file a patent. To file a patent, there are certain norms while drafting, and at the same time, while filing what are the forms we have to concentrate, and what is the patentability procedure, what is the patent execution process of the patent office. So all those things I will explain in the following sessions. At this, do you have any query related to?
No, ma'am.
Till now, you have any queries, any doubts?
Any other doubts,
No
ma'am?
doubts. So you are just entered the engineering college. So I think that this session may be the awareness session of what is what and what are all the things you have to concentrate, and keep it in the mind. Accordingly, you can develop your projects in future. Thank you all. Thank you for the opportunity.
Hello. Thank you so much for giving the opportunity and the CPS today. And now the session for the vote of thanks, and it's my immense pleasure to give the vote of thanks on behalf of our Department of Functional Materials. I am very glad to express my vote of thanks. With my immense pleasure, I express my gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor and Dr. VIM and Directors Academics of the Municipal School of Engineering, and our beloved Director and our beloved Principal and Vice Principal and Head of the Departments of Chemistry, and also thanks to all the participants. It's my special thanks to our Chief Guest, Dr. Pudilibai, Professor of Chemistry in Captain of ITSL, Sri Sairam Engineering College, Chennai. And I thanks to all the organizing members in our departments, in our faculty members, in our college. I thank all of you. Now the session for next month. Please enter. Jai